Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Funding Options Business Loans. Review my usage experience. Funding Options Business Loans Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to compare different business loan options from various lenders. Its main purpose is to help small business owners find the best loan for their needs, streamlining the process of researching and applying for financing. Key features likely include loan comparison tools, eligibility checks, and possibly even application assistance. Their website provides details on the various lenders they partner with and the types of loans offered. A major benefit is the time-saving aspect of having multiple options presented in one place. The platform aims for transparency, although specific pricing details would depend on the individual loan offers. It simplifies the often daunting task of securing business funding, potentially saving users significant time and effort compared to manually searching for lenders. Availability is likely nationwide, but this should be verified on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Funding Options Business Loans. Review my usage experience. I needed a loan for my small bakery, and navigating the different lenders and their varying terms felt overwhelming. Funding Options helped me simplify this. Getting started was straightforward. I just needed to create an account and answer a few basic questions about my business and financial needs. The interface was intuitive, and I easily used the filtering tools to narrow down the loan options based on my preferred loan amount, repayment terms, and interest rates. The platform presented me with a list of potential lenders and their offers, complete with clear explanations of terms and conditions. The results were presented in a very organized manner, making comparisons easy. I was particularly impressed by the detailed information provided for each loan option. I had a quick question about a specific lender's requirements, and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was quite prompt. One minor drawback was that some of the lender details linked to external websites, requiring me to leave the Funding Options platform. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Funding Options. It saved me countless hours of research and allowed me to make an informed decision about my business loan. The ability to compare loans side by side was invaluable. That's my overview of Funding Options Business Loans. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.